Welcome to the interactive training platform tutorial for admin users. Let's begin by logging into the platform using your credentials and learn how to manage teams, assets, videos, and more. On the Assets page, you will find a comprehensive list of all your added 3D models. Click on the list icon to switch to the list view and see all your assets. Let's begin by filtering the categories and editing your 3D models for efficient management. To begin, navigate to the Filter button at the top of the screen. Select it to display a list of available categories for filtering. From here, select any category that meets your needs. Simply click on your desired options, and the list of 3D models will automatically refresh to display the filtered results. Now, to manage asset categories, click on Manage Categories in the top right. This will take you to the category list, where you can easily edit, delete, or add new categories. To add a new category, click the Add New Category button in the top right corner. A form will open where you can enter the category name and assign a color for better organization. After managing category, browse through the list to locate the 3D asset you wish to edit. To make changes, select the desired model and click the Edit button. This will direct you to the Edit 3D Assets page. On this page, you can update the text fields to modify your model's title and description. You can also change or reassign categories for the asset. Simply select the appropriate category from the drop-down list. Additionally, you can enhance your 3D asset by uploading media, including photos, videos, audio files, and PDFs. To add photos, click on the Photos icon, then click on the plus sign to upload your desired images. To upload videos, click on the media icon and then click on the plus sign to add your video files. To add audio files, click on the audio icon and use the plus sign to upload your audio clips. Similarly, to add PDFs, select the Documents icon, then click on the plus sign to upload the PDF files. Once all the files are added, they will appear on the right side of the panel. From there, you can review the files, add more, or delete any unwanted ones. To manage team members, simply click on the Manage Teams button on the menu. Here you can add new members, assign roles, and share assets with your team. To add a new team member, begin by selecting the Add New Member button. A form will open, prompting you to enter the team member's essential details, including their full name, email address, and designated role. Ensure that all required fields are accurately completed. Then click Save to finalize the addition. The new member will be added to your team promptly. Next, let's explore how to efficiently update team members' details. To make changes, click the Edit button located to the right of their name. This will open a form where you can modify their name and email by entering the updated information directly into the fields. To update their role, simply select the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Once all changes are made, click the Update button to save your updates. Now let's share assets with the newly added team members. Navigate back to the Assets page to choose an individual asset or select all the assets. Click the Select All button located at the top left corner. Selecting the assets, click the Share button. A list of team members will appear. Choose the name of the recently added member. Once selected, confirm by clicking Share to grant them access to the chosen assets. Like assets, videos can be efficiently managed and shared with your team members, streamlining collaboration. To share videos, select the desired videos by checking the boxes on the left side of the video list. Once selected, click the Share button and choose the relevant users or teams from the list to complete the sharing process. Now, let's navigate to the Library page, featuring a diverse collection of 3D models ready for exploration. At the top, you'll find a Categories section, enabling you to effortlessly filter and explore models by specific groups. You can easily switch between the 3D Models tab and the Video and Games tab to explore different types of content in the library. These straightforward steps make it simple to navigate through sections and locate the assets you need. Let's explore the Settings section where administrators can customize the platform layout to align with their specific preferences and requirements. Start by clicking the settings icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, which will grant you access to a variety of customization options. On the left side, you'll see the color customization options. From here, you can choose different colors to customize your interface. As you select different colors, you'll notice the interface updating in real time. Customized settings allow you to tailor the experience to match your preferences. Let's review the password settings for the admin. Begin by navigating to the account settings by selecting your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. A password update window will appear prompting you to enter your new password, input your desired password, and click Save to apply the changes. Be sure to select a strong password to enhance security. Thank you for following along. We trust this tutorial has provided valuable insights to help you navigate and optimize the platform effectively. For additional support, please don't hesitate to contact